Now we explain how to modify the baud rate. First, connect the RTU to the power supply and the serial cable to the computer to ensure that the device is connected and communicating properly. The antenna can be installed optionally or not. Then open the serial port assistant in the computer and select the port number corresponding to the serial port number. The default baud rate is 115200. The data bit is 8 bits. The stop bit is 1 bit. And there is no control flow. Then in the sending data, make sure to select hexadecimal to send. Next, send a message that modifies the baud rate of 9600. 01060031004C64. Then, we open the serial port and click Send. We can see the data returned below. The blue data indicates that the modification was successful. After the modification is completed, we need to save this command. The save command is 001000444. The return message appears below. At this time, the RTU indicator flashes, and the flashing is about 1 or 2 seconds. After the flashing is completed, the baud rate is modified successfully. Next, we go to read other related data. Enter 0103000. And now at a baud rate of 115200, there is no feedback data in the read message. Now we modify the serial port baud rate to 9600 and then send the data. At this time, the feedback data appears below, indicating that the baud rate of 9600 has been successfully modified.